Artificial intelligence is not new. We have been using AI for a number of years, but the pace of development has been having a step jump since the introduction of ChatGPT. So this can surprise people the way it generates the kind of answer and the kind of output to people. Well, it's definitely a good thing from the perspective of helping human in terms of productivity. There are some repetitive jobs that would definitely be replaced. And this is not new to ourselves. We have seen this kind of replacement since thousands of years ago with every kind of new technologies introduced. For example, the engine, automobile, computing. So in the past, everything has to be done by humans step by step. But nowadays, the technology introduced has been very efficiently helped in terms of all kinds of aspects. Similarly, the AI or ChatGPT would help us in this perspective. But there are new jobs that would come out, and people would develop a whole new class of jobs. 100 years ago, there's no programmers, right? And today, there's a lot of programmers, almost everywhere, and you can learn how to program. And so it becomes a career. And so there will be new things coming up, and there will be new jobs coming up. Most of the time, technology advances way before the law is being enacted. And it's because when you introduce a new technology to be used in the society, you create certain scenario that you need a regulation, and then you put up a law to regulate. Like in the future, down the road, you will have something called unmanned drive vehicle. You need certain law to govern how a manned drive vehicle operate in a city. Now, of course, the whole thing would develop first before the law would be introduced. Similarly, the surface of AI would be ahead of any kind of law. The only difference is the pace of AI is now having a little bit of a quantum jump. It's not a small incremental that you can see how it evolves, and then you can prepare a little bit ahead. This time, we are a bit caught by a new wave of AI moving up in a very substantial way. And so the law would have to be advanced much faster, in a sense, to really keep up with that pace. First of all, I think the technology should be designed in a way that it should not be difficult to use. It should be like be your friend, and it just be easy to use and talk to. And nowadays, technology can actually advance to a point that it can mimic almost a lot of human interface, and that can be easily used or interfaced by human beings. So I think that's the approach we should guide the technology, and not really making our elderly going extra hurdle or hoops just to use a simple app to do something. So I think we should do it the other way around. It's very hard to ask the elderly people to change, but technology is here to help human. So I think we should use that angle to make it easy for everyone in the society to be benefited.